Hello everyone, I'm Yanzhuo Niu from Department of Educational Psychology. The research I'm going to present today is about the effects of auto beauty filters on college female self-evaluation. Auto beauty filter is something that most of you have used or have seen other people use in their daily life. There are a range of beauty filters people can choose from when using social media apps such as Snapchat and TikTok. In Asian countries such as South Korea and China, people even use standalone beauty camera apps. Applying augmented reality technology, these filters can recognize one's face the moment people take a selfie with it and add real-time beauty effect to the face, such as smoothing out the skin, enlarging the eyes, etc. College female is one of the populations that use these filters the most, and I wondered about the psychosocial impact of such use on them. More specifically, I wanted to know, will the beauty filters change their evaluation of their look? In a way, just like how the magic mirror makes the evil queen believe she is the prettiest woman in the world. To investigate this question, I based my hypothesis on social comparison theory. Making comparisons to others is a major way how we evaluate our physical appearance. Most researchers assume that when we compare ourselves to someone who is better looking, like a model or a celebrity, we see a contrast between ourselves and this person, which makes us feel bad about our look. And the researchers have found some scientific evidence for this. But more recent theoretical models suggest that the effect of upward social comparison doesn't have to be negative. Indeed, there are two potential results. When you make the comparison, if you are seeing more similarities between you and this comparison target than dissimilarities, you assimilate yourself to the comparison target. For example, I go to the same school as her. Maybe I can get a job as good as her in the future. Contrast effect, which leads to negative self-evaluation, only happens when you see more dissimilarities between you and the comparison target. Well, she's just different. I can never be as good as her. Back to our study, we propose that the enhanced virtual image of ourselves may serve as a novel comparison target. And we hypothesize that when college females make upward comparison to an enhanced look of themselves, they experience a assimilation effect rather than a contrast effect. After all, they would probably still recognize the enhanced image as themselves and think, wow, look how pretty I could be. But is this the case? I test this hypothesis with two samples, a sample of US college females and a sample of Chinese college females, with an experimental design which is simple and straightforward. What I did is basically randomly assigned participants to two groups. For those in the control group, they are seeing themselves being captured by a regular front camera of an iPad. For those in the beauty camera group, they were seeing themselves being captured with a beauty camera app on an iPad. After looking at this image for 30 seconds, either it is digitally enhanced or not, they were asked to fill out a survey about their self-evaluation of their look, which was assessed by two measures. Okay, now let's take a look at the results. In terms of the measure of satisfaction of physical appearance, for both samples, participants in the beauty camera group reported higher satisfaction with their physical appearance than participants in the regular camera group. Even though the difference is not significant for the US sample, it is significant for the Chinese sample. In terms of the measure of the state physical appearance self-esteem, the results are largely similar, with the difference not significant for the US sample and the difference significant for the Chinese sample, and participants in the beauty camera group reporting higher state physical appearance self-esteem, which supports the hypothesis. These findings suggest that the auto beauty filters not only retouch one's digital selfies, but also improve one's inner image of their look, at least for Chinese college females. but future studies should investigate what contributes to the difference between the US sample and the Chinese sample. Are Chinese college females more pleased by the effects by the beauty filter because of their more homogeneous beauty standard? Or are they more likely to believe they can be as good looking as in the filter because they believe one's physical look is changeable? I look forward to addressing these questions in the future. This is my presentation. Thank you.